Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off search history in the Google app on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the App Store and search for the Google app. Make sure the app is updated to the latest version, because some settings may not appear if you are using an older version. Once the app is updated, simply open the Google app on your phone. After opening the app, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From here, you will see the search history option. Tap on it to open your history settings. Now you can manage your Google search activity and turn off history by selecting the off option. Once you disable it, Google will stop saving your future search history on your account. And that's basically it. That is how you can turn off search history in the Google app on iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in the next video.